Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat add friend not working. Right, so let's go into the Snapchat, and the very first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the Play Store here, right? And after going to the Play Store, you have to search Snapchat. And after searching the Snapchat, you have to make sure to update the mobile application, Snapchat mobile application right now, and this may fix your problem. But if it doesn't fix your problem, you have to restart your phone, and after that you have to just go to your settings, and after going to the settings you have to search app management, right? And after that just go to the app list here and just select the Snapchat mobile application. So I will scroll a little bit down and I will select the Snapchat mobile application here, and you will get this option. Just click on storage usage. After clicking on the storage usage, you have to click on clear cache. So after clearing the cache, this may fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to do one more thing. You have to clear the data. After clearing the data, this will delete and unload all the wasteful data that is making Snapchat slow, and this will definitely fix your problem. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.